All right, ladies and gentlemen, do I have an absolute banger OpenClaw video for you today? This might be my best video yet. I don't know. You tell me. But you got to watch it first. And this is going to be really juicy, extra juicy. You know that sauce, that like secret sauce some restaurants have, and they put it on top of the food, and you're like, damn. Well, that's this video. So buckle up. Uh, let's go. So in this video, you're going to learn the exact strategy that my OpenClaw uses to generate leads completely for free. I don't care what business you're in. I don't care what industry you're in. This will work for pretty much any business. And it's super powerful. So if you like free leads, then you should probably watch this whole video because I got a lot of good stuff for you. And at the end, I'm going to give you the exact prompts and the exact things you need to do with your agent to make this work for you perfectly. So let's dive right into it. All right, here's the exact lead gen stack that I use to create free leads. Obviously, you got to have OpenClaw. And I use Apify to scrape the leads. WebFetch is a tool that comes with OpenClaw to actually browse and crawl websites. Himalaya is Gmail or Google's new CLI, which is super powerful. You'll see that in action today. And then a Gmail account. Also Google Sheets or even like Apple Numbers, whatever, either one works. And then I'm using Claude AI to write these emails because I think Claude's a little bit better at writing than OpenAI, but you can use any LLM you want to actually analyze and write some of these outreach messages. So let me show you Apify first. So Apify's been around a while. It's got a ton of different scrapers for different social media apps and that kind of thing. But in this video today, we're going to use the Google Maps scraper specifically. And what's cool is they give you $5 of free scraping credit every single month. So it's free to use. And if you want to use more, you can. And it's really inexpensive depending on which scraper you use. But the Google Maps scraper that I'm using, it's like 2 cents a lead after you've spent the $5. So you literally can get like 250 leads for free with this system I'm going to show you. And then after that, if you want more leads, it's like 2 cents a lead. So super duper powerful. And let me show you what you got to do. So you go to the dashboard, you create your free account, and then you go to integrations. And up at the top, you can click API. And from there, you give the API to your agent so he knows how to use Apify. And I have no affiliation with Apify, at least right now. I just found it and it works and it's free and it's cool. So that's why I use it. All right, here's the flow to give you like a nice visual of what we're doing here. So Apify will find the leads through the Google Maps scraper, specifically that one. And then it's going to scan the websites with your OpenClaw using WebFetch as well. Then it'll do an AI analysis. So it'll score each lead. So the leads I'm going to generate, because I have an AI automation agency, so I'm going to generate leads for my AI automation agency to add like, I don't know, chat bots, voice bots, website tools, any type of AI automation for that business, right? So I'm going to specifically target HVAC in Phoenix because I live in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I'm going to target HVAC and I'm going to craft emails and outreach messages specifically for that niche. So you can tell your OpenClaw anything, like whatever industry or business you're in, be like, these are the type of leads I want in this area, XYZ, and it'll like only scrape and find those leads. So I'll keep going with the flow here. It does the AI analysis to score it. So it'll even tell me like, okay, this, after it looks at their website, it'll be like, all right, this business really needs AI help. And it will give me like a 10 out of 10 if it really needs AI help, or it'll give me like a 1 out of 10 if it's already got a bunch of good AI stuff. What it's going to do after that is add this all to a Google Sheet or a Numbers, Apple Numbers, whatever. I'm going to use Apple Numbers for this demo so you can see what I'm talking about. Then it's actually going to use the Gmail CLI and draft up all the emails and save them as drafts in my Gmail. So I'll show you that here in a second. And then I'm going to be the human in the loop that basically says yes or no, or makes edits if I need to before the emails actually go out. All right, I've already built the skill with my OpenClaw agent, so he kind of knows this flow, and I'll give that skill to you guys at the end of the video. But I'm going to tell them right now to get 100 leads for HVAC for my AI agency and deliver me all the information that is within that skill. So watch. Yo, Max, what's going on, my man? I'm ready to get some leads. Can you please generate me 100 leads using our lead gen power pack skill, and then deliver them to my numbers document? I'm filming a video right now for YouTube, and I want to show everyone how this works live and in action. So go ahead and generate those leads along with all the information that comes with those based on the skill that I created for you. Guys, I use Wisper Flow for talk to text. A lot of people keep asking me that in the comments, so that's what I use. I'll put the link in the comments just if you guys want to do it as well. Highly recommend talk to text. It saves you a ton of time. I rarely type anymore. I type like maybe 5-10% of the day. All right, Max is cooking right now. I just want to show you, here's the empty list. He is going to get back to me any minute with 100 different leads, all HVAC in Arizona. Let's see what he can cook up. That took a little bit of time, about 5 to 10 minutes, but it's worth it because it's free leads, right? And he came back and he told me about half of the 100 actually had emails listed on their websites. So we got those emails. I'm going to blur them out here for YouTube purposes. It's against policy to show other contact information on YouTube, so I'll blur that out. But I also have phone numbers as well, so I can call them manually. I can email them individually. Really, really powerful. But a lot of these websites that don't have emails, they have a contact us form. So what Max did is he drafted up little messages that I can copy and paste into their contact us form on their website. So that's like a backup option if they don't have an email. Really, really powerful. He also rated them 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, et cetera, for high opportunity to reach out and they need AI automation services based on what he found on their website. And he personalized each message, and he personalized everything based on what's on their website and what he found. So crazy that he can do this. Really powerful. Now I'm going to show you the next step, because remember that Google CLI, he actually is able to input that information and draft up responses in Gmail. So let's check that out right now. Holy shizoli, look at these drafts. I got multiple drafts already preset, ready to go to every one of these leads. This is insane. Google CLI is powerful. It's my first time using it to its fullest capacity. And it even organized everything and labeled everything when I told him to do that, all in my Gmail account. But anyway, let's just look at a first one. I'm gonna show you an example. Look how nice this is, because it's already preset, ready to go. And obviously you can train your agent to be really good at SEO or really good at copywriting and fine tune the writing skills to get it really powerful and connect with these businesses and get more engagement. But the fact that it can go through this process from me just talking to it generating leads, ready to be sent emails, insane. I think this is powerful. I think it's valuable. I can always level this up and take it a step further. But I think this is pretty cool for now. If you think this is cool, please let me know, because I think it's cool. I think it's pretty cool for any business to get free leads. One quick note I want to make, a lot of you already know this, but just to remind those of you, and also for those of you that don't, is that there is legal compliance when it comes to mass texting, mass emailing, that kind of thing. So depending on where you live, just look up your local laws, what country and state you're in. But you can cold email businesses without their consent, because they put this information out there publicly on Google Maps, right? And you can send contact forms on their website as much as you want, and personal outreach, all of that. That's all legal. But if you're going to take these phone numbers and do a mass text without their consent, that's illegal. Also, you have to put a unsubscribe link in the email. So you can individually text them though. If you don't use a power dialer or a mass texter, you can individually do it. So just know the laws in your local area. That's all I'm saying. And be smart about it, because you can get fined for that kind of thing. So generate the leads for free and contact them legally. That's all I'm saying. And you're golden. All right. I told you I'd give you everything for free, the skill, the prompts, everything. And I'm going to do it right now. So in the description below, the pinned comment, there's agentcommandkit.com. Jump in there, I have a ton of stuff from other videos in there as well. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos, definitely do that to, skills and tools and memory and all that good stuff. But if you go there and you click lead gen power pack, it's all in here. Step by step, Apify, where to go, what to install, the prompt for the lead gen agent prompt, and the lead gen skill. It's all in there, and what to do, what not to do. There you go. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was valuable. I hope that you realize this is a powerful use case. So everyone who keeps asking, like, what are the use cases of OpenClaw? I think this is a pretty powerful use case. If you ask me, you got free leads. All right. So super fun. I enjoyed this video. I put a lot of time and thought into it. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe. I'm trying to get my channel going. I want to do this full time, but I can't unless I have your help and support and I have enough eyeballs on this content. So like, subscribe, hype it up if you're hyped, and comment below. Let me know the next type of video you want to see with OpenClaw, your business, Claude Code, whatever. Let me know. Till the next video. See you guys.